tired of tinning turnips and cutting curly kale. When he got back from the creamery, he hoisted up the sail.
Christy, Where I Come From is the new release, a collection of all your old songs. In terms of writing your own songs, was it something you sort of dipped your toe into, or did you jump in 2 feet first?
I dipped my toe into it. I started trying in the 70s, early 70s, and finally got one I could maybe sing towards the end of the 70s. But I've never been that prolific. I've always spent more time following songs from other writers than writing my own.
Did it take a certain amount of courage to then release one of these songs?
I think the hardest thing is early on wasn't so much releasing them as singing them in public.
Yeah.
Because you're thinking, how is this song going to stand up beside some of these songs I have in my repertoire that have been around for centuries, you know? But then you slip one in and it goes down okay, and maybe I'll try another one, you know?
Oh, what tack do you take for Mizenhead? I'd love to settle down near Ventry Harbour. St. Brendan to his albatross, he said. Oh, St. Brendan to his albatross, he said.